Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Diecast Resurrection. Today I thought I would do a quick little walk around tour of the new spray room slash spray booth. You guys might have seen little snippets of this on the videos so far, but today I thought we'd do a little bit more in depth. The questions have been starting to roll in about the plans for this particular spray booth build, and I got them, so I'm totally willing to share them with you. The link is going to be in the description, as well as I'm going to put an Amazon link for the centrifugal fan that I used in this build. And ours came from Amazon, and it was under $200. So this design I got off the internet from a website called Ventworks, and they make specialty ventilation products. Long story short, they make the tin components that you would bolt to your plywood spray booth to make it extra nice. You know what I mean? They also have a wood alternative on the website here. If you do not want to purchase their tin products, you can build them out of wood, or you could have like a downdraft style spray booth like I did, how I have my filters on the bottom. So it's completely up to you. I just used the basic design that's offered on this website, and I opted to just change it to suit my needs. You can order up the tin pieces, and it's basically just a bolt together at that point. If you're handy with a table saw or a skill saw and a drill, it wouldn't take much to make one of these. I did mine over the weekend. So I'm going to leave the address for Ventworks here, and they got even a bunch of videos on their website that are from YouTube where it teaches you how to wire the motor, mount the motor, install the fan, use the adapters, everything. It's all there. So between that and a little bit of red-green handiwork in the garage, you could build yourself a spray booth like mine. For lighting, you could do a lot of things. We ended up using LED pot lights that you can link up in series, and they seem to be working great. They're super bright. The only thing I need to do yet is to put a piece of plexiglass between them and the actual painting area, because I did notice they were getting kind of blasted with a little bit of overspray. So we're working on a couple things this weekend. So the next car video will be out probably Monday. So everyone have a good weekend. And yeah, I'll talk to you Monday. See you later. Enjoy.